So today we got problem medium, best time to buy and sell stocks with transaction fee. So that is like the standard problem, looks like, but we'll see. Given array prices where prices I is the price of a given stock on the if day and integer fee representing transaction fee. Find the maximum profit you can achieve. You may complete as many transactions as you multiple transactions simultaneously. The transaction fee is only charged once for each stock purchase and sale. Okay. This had some standard solution in which we have to incorporate the fees. Well, clearly the time complexity has to be linear. Okay, what it is that we essentially, like, we buy, right, and then we could sell and buy again here. Now, when would it be worth it to skip this? Well, yeah, if there is lower, like we sell this for 2, then we buy and then we sell this. Because that's 6 plus this, and this is just 7. So 2 plus 6 is 8 and this is 7. But with fees suddenly this will be 1 to 8 with fee 2 will be better. Great question. Okay. I mean, I can easily do Basically, let's say I consider selling here, right? And then if I wanna sell here, then I wanna try all combinations of so essentially this plus 2, so this minus what? Dynamic programming when I want to sleep is diabolical, bro. Whatever. I will figure this out. Okay, let's start with brute force. I don't have to figure it out immediately. So prices are 10 to 4 times 5 times 10 to 4. That's 10 to 8. 2 times 2.5 times 10 to 9, but that is over the 2.1 times 10 to 9. Are you kidding? But wait. Gain it here, gain it here. So that's actually that divided by 2, so it should be okay. BPN plus 1, okay. Okay, and then DPI is DPI minus 1 times, no, DPI max, no, DPI max DPI, and then price is I minus 1 minus price is what we buy on that day, so price is J minus fee plus DPJ return DP and minus 1 DPN, okay, and not prices but prices. Interesting, great. Zero, zero. Oh, okay. So it's just ans is this, ans max, ans DPI, and this should work. How do you want to get a profit of 4? Oh. Okay, something not working. So that's, well, here we can have profit 0, right? let's say j is 1, and now we can fix it like this. Okay, so profit 0, profit 0, profit 0. Here we can have profit 1, profit 0, profit 0, profit 0, still profit 0, because this minus fee. Oh, interesting. Well, now this makes more sense. Because, okay, let's say we do this. Okay, and here comes the problem, because with this we can make one profit, and with this we can make profits, and now I don't want to mix stocks. So I'm already doing something wrong, because if I do that, then well, not buy is max of not buy and buy, I guess, on last, because that don't matter. And now dp1 is max dp1, and then price is this, right, plus max of dp. Okay, nice. Okay, this seems to work. Okay, this will TLE. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so okay, I got a solution. Oh, I absolutely don't say what I'm doing, but essentially the problem was that, okay, like I checked these two, right? But what about the rest? Like, how could I gain money? And checking if I gain money here, that gives me 0, because I cannot make money by just finishing a transaction here. But in reality, best I can do here, finishing here, is not just trying this, but taking the previous, meaning that I didn't buy. So I have a didn't buy, and this simple update rules, right? And now I have to again eliminate some duplicate work. Problem is that how to do that. And I don't want to see hint in half an hour, because I want to sleep tight in half an hour. How would I do it without the fee? I mean, that's quite simple, I think. Or is it? Dun, 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 dun. I really want to open the hint, but I really shouldn't, so... why do I do this stupid thing every day when I have 20 other things to do which will burn on my ass? Whatever. What the fucking ever. Anyways, I mean, I guess we can just hold or buy. And our question is, if you hold on the day, how you, like, let's say I only care if from the previous day I'm still holding a stock or not holding a stock, right? Or did I sell? Because if I start holding, then I immediately have to subtract the fee and subtract that value. But then when I want to stop holding, okay, I think, damn, I am cooking, bro. Let's go. So DP0 now, terrible naming, I know, but I could call it profit, but who cares? So 0 means I'm holding on the day something, don't care what. And 1 means that I'm holding something, and 0 that I'm not holding something. Now, so I start, and let's do just n of them, and we'll call it like this. DP0 is equal to, and now if I'm not holding on the day, my profit is 0, and if I start holding, then it's already minus prices 0 minus fee, right? Okay. And okay, we got the answer, whatever, it will be calculated throughout, no one cares. Now we are at I1 and this smaller, right? And now, if I hold here, then I have two cases, right? If I want to hold a stock on if day, what will be my best profit? Well, if I held the stock on the previous day, nothing changes, right? But if I did not hold stock on the previous day, which is this case, then we started holding on this day, so we have to subtract what prices I minus fee, right? And if I don't hold on a day, right, well, then there are two options. I didn't hold on previous day, or I hold on the previous day, and in that case I have to add to my profit the prices of I. And now ans max DPI0 DPI1. Okay, let's see if I'm correct. Ain't no way I'm correct. That is crazy. Okay, I'm not lost. I'm not sure if I would be able to prove this. I thought that halfway through writing this that I'm incorrect, but I guess. Oh my god, bro, hell no. Okay. Oh, and I don't even need vectors, I just need like int last, which will be equal to this, and then I make like int next to is equal to last, and then next to wait, so last is equal to last 0. So not holding means not holding, or last one plus minus price is I minus fee, and then okay, and then this one was, well, I either keep holding or I started holding, so this means that what I held before, so it's plus prices. I just want to speed it up, that's what I'm thinking. So last 0 minus prices I minus fee. Okay, that's okay. Invalid subscript operator, great. Let's see if this will be faster. Oh, 0 milliseconds, hell yeah. Oh, because I'm not doing an entire allocation. Okay. Okay, we are cooking, motherfucker. Okay, can I reduce space? Probably. Not sure if pair is inefficient though. Space-wise. It doesn't matter, so let's make a solution. So dynamic programming intuition, simple solution 1. At each position we try to sell a stock. For each position we try buying at any of the previous positions, and positions j, store maximum profit in first I days in profit I. At each position we try to sell at we try to sell a stock on each day. For each position we try buying at any of the previous days j, and update profit I, max profit I, prices I, prices j fee plus my keyboard disconnected, or Leetcode died, or Firefox died. Any of those might be true. Let's see. Refresh. Oh, so it was just, oh, okay, Firefox is cooked, my RAM is cooked. Oh, what is what? Okay, this is what the fuck, man. Okay, hopefully the crashing stops now, so I'm gonna dog water write solution. So solution 1, let profit I be the maximum profit on day in first I days, let's try selling a stock on each day. We have an option to either sell a stock, either not sell a stock, then profit I minus 1, or we sell a stock and we try all days before I. When we buy the stock, then profit I is equal to profit j plus prices I minus prices j minus fee, and peak maximum over all j. Okay, obviously this is O of n squared, which is slow given the constraints n like 5c dot 10 to 4. Okay. Solution 2. What if we only care about if we hold the stock on previous day or not? We can extend profit to be two-dimensional, and x2 profit I0 is maximum profit in first I days when we are not holding a stock on day I, and profit I1 is maximum profit in first I days when we hold a stock on day I. Let's try to calculate both values. First case, profit. Okay, so if we do not hold a stock on day I, this can happen by either not holding a stock on the previous day or by selling on day I. Therefore, if we hold a stock on day I, this can happen by already holding a stock on day I-1 or by buying a stock on day I which costs fee plus prices I. Therefore, profit I0 I1 is equal to max profit I-1 profit I-10 minus fee minus prices I. Or holding the stock from the previous day or by selling a stock hold on the previous day on day I. Therefore, profit I1 equals max profit I1 profit I0. No, wait, profit 0 is either profit 0 for which we gain prices I, since we already paid prices, we paid the buying price and the fee on the day the stock was bought. Therefore, profit I is profit I-1 and then I-1 plus prices I. Both values can be computed in O1 for all n days, giving us the final time complexity of n. Note that to compute profit I, we only need profit I-1, therefore we can just keep two variables for profit I-1, two variables profit I-1 and update them, giving us the final space complexity low one. Okay, I mean, that's pretty decent.